Hey, this is Cricket coming to you today with another haul. This is from two companies that I've never ordered from but are so excited to get. I got this one during the TPC sale. This one is from Pink Limeade Designs and I love this. These are huge clips that I'm going to use in my TN, and one says this week and the other one says today, as you can see, so that I can keep up with my planner. I love those clips. They are awesome, awesome, awesome clips. Love them. And then I got, let me put this over to the side. Let's see what I ordered. Let me get it out. Sorry, guys. This one is their card, Pink Limeade Designs, with all their information on the back. And then, let's see. I think this is their freebie, Pink Limeade Designs. To do, don't forget, a little camper, I love that. Weekend, very cute. And then the next TPC sale is October 11th through the 15th. Very cute, look at those. I'm loving it. And then this one, happiness can be found in the dark of times if only one remembers to turn on the light. How sweet is that? And then I ordered car payment, electric bill, isn't that cute? Love it. And gas bill. And then this came with it. It is the holidays, like Valentine's, St. Patrick, Easter, Father's Day, etc. And then anniversary, birthdays that you can put on your calendar. How cute is that? Very cool. All right, so this is from Pink Limeade Designs. I'm so excited. Like I said, this is the first time I've ordered from them, so very excited. Oh, and here's some heart checklists. Sorry about that. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. Love it. And the next one is from the Coffee Monster Co. I have never ordered from them either, and this is exciting for me because I love new companies. And it says the TCMC, the Coffee Monster Co. Enjoy your order. On today's menu, holding coffee, and then books. So very cute. Love. I ordered her sticker pad. Isn't that adorable? And she draws her own stuff. So this was the harvest one. And then it says, thank you. Collect all the beans for a sample on your next order. And it says, record the date of completion, snap a picture and email it, place an order, and let us know in the notes that you would like to redeem a sampler. So that's pretty cool. It says, keep hustling. And then this is the coffee lover emojis. The spoony ones. The Halloween mugs. Very cute. Even says hocus pocus. And then the countdown. 9 days down with all, look at these characters. So cute. Awesome job. Awesome, awesome job. This is from the Coffee Monster Co. So go check out that company. And then go check out Pink Limeade as well. Awesome companies. I really enjoyed ordering, and I love all the stuff that you get. So very cute. So go check them out. Check out Planner Nina _Cricket on Facebook and Instagram. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you back here soon. Bye-bye.